Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you guys how to invite a family to join your Google Hangout. So what I do is I go to my homepage or whatever and I go to my little waffle up here and I click on it. I find a calendar. It has the number 31 on it, so I click that. And here are all of my conferences. So let's say I want to make a Thursday at 12 o'clock meeting. So I click on 12 o'clock and I'll just name it preschool. Here are the times, so that looks okay. Let me just make it, you can change the times here. Then you go to add guests. So if I want to add January and Marissa and Colleen, I'll just add them down here. Now this is the most important part. If you don't do this, then the parent won't be able to click on a link and see you. So right here where it says add location or conferencing, you have to make sure that you click on this and you click add conferencing. This gives you a link, and when it gets to the parent in an email, this link is what they will click to join your video conference, and you can also hit that link to get into your video conference too. So make sure that it has a little camera here and it has this join Hangouts meet. Then down here you can just say preschool meeting and hit save. Okay, now I'm gonna do this for now. Let me see. You know, I'm gonna actually take you guys off of here and I'm gonna add my own personal email so I can show you what it looks like when I accept it. So everything's in. I'm gonna hit save. Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Make sure you hit send so that they get a notification. And it's going to say this for all of our parents because they're out of our domain. So just say yes, invite. And then it will show up here on your end. Now, when it's time for you to join this meeting, all you'll do is click the link and you'll hit join Hangouts meet. And it will bring you here. And this is where you'll see everyone else. Now, I'm on the parents' end, this is what it will look like. Let me show you because I invited myself. Okay. So they're going to get an invitation that looks like this. It's going to say, you've been invited to this meeting. Are you going? And I can say yes. And then my teacher will get an email saying that I accepted the notification. Down here where it says preschool meeting, that's where what I put in the notes section. So you can write something there like, hey, I'm going to pop in for 15 minutes and say hi. You can really write whatever you want there. Now, to join the meeting, all I'm going to do is click the link. And here we are. So it's pretty simple to get them together on the same, you know, form. To use the Google Calendar to set up your Google Hangout session. I hope that helps a little bit. Let me know if you have any questions.